guys, so I decided to do another fashion stories. So I bought this set from Hustly. Yes, Hustly, yes. So from Instagram, and I actually saw an Instagram ad, and Indian block prints are something that has always attracted me. You can see that on my curtain, on my bed sheet, most of the places. So yeah, I love the block prints, and I always wanted a quad set like this which can be worn at home, casual friends day outing, or just chill scenes. So I decided to get this for myself, and after wearing this I cannot agree more when it comes to comfort and style. I mean, I can go anywhere wearing this. This is going to be my airport look. Multiple ways of styling this. I'm just going to show a very simple way of styling this. Right now, this can go casual for you to sit back at home, chill with your friends over wine, a gin and tonic, and some cheese and some Christmas movies, because that is what I'm into. And surprisingly, I also have a matching bag. No, it was not bought together. There was, I think my bag is 1 year old and this is just 2 weeks old. So yeah, So you can always style it with the bag. So this is something that I got from LBB. I don't know if I can get the link. If I do, then DM me if you really need it, then I'll just add it. So I mean, it's camouflaging, but I like it. What do you think? You can always go with the contrast bag, but I don't mind wearing, a single tone from top to down one way, and you can always accessorize it with some earrings. But I'm either going to go for earrings or a necklace and not both. And why not add a bindi to it, which I haven't, but you can. This was a gift from a friend, and it's a very common earring that you will find at the street stores. So you can just go like this, or I am planning on wearing a Hustly on and Hustly outfit. So this is something that I got recently. You would have seen me wearing it. I got it from Mahima's closet. It's called a Hustly, and I love it. This is how it looks like. It's basically a choker with danglers, which is damn pretty. I love antique stuff. I think I'm an old soul when it comes to all this. Not very contemporary when it comes to fashion. Yeah, this is the simple way of styling this quad set. What do you think?
या तो चाले चाले आ तो चाले चाले पानी नी पानी यार सा जावा जावा पी वरने या तो चाले चाले आ तो चाले चाले पानी नी पानी यार सा जावा जावा पी वरने या तो चाले चाले आ तो चाले चाले पानी नी पानी यार सा जावा जावा पी वरने या तो चाले 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 पानी नी पानी यार सा जावा जावा पी चाले